Hi everyone, Gigi here from Dawn of Braids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really gorgeous festive ponytail. So to start with, we're going to part the hair on what side we want. I've put in my extensions, but not the two front pieces. So when there's more hair on the side where you've parted it, you can then put in the side weft of extensions, which has two clips. Okay, and once that's clipped in, I'm just going to take the whole front section, put the rest of my hair to the back, and start plaiting or braiding down gently. To do this, take a small section from the top, split into three, and braid, so French braid, so over from this side, over from the other side, and then gently just add little bits of hair as you go. And then once you get to the bottom and there's no hair left to braid, just plait like normal. Once you're at the bottom of the plait, you can gently tug to make it a little looser. And then tie it off with an elastic. Now working from the back of the head, I'm just going to take a small section and split it in two. I'm then going to take one side and twist it towards the centre and gently tug it to loosen it. Then I'm going to pin it and repeat on the other side. I'm then going to take all my hair and then the braid on top, apply it in a ponytail. Then I'm going to go to the front of the hair and just pin the braid back a little so it doesn't puff out like this. I'm going to pop in this decoration. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Cliphair in the future and to follow me on Instagram at Dawn of Braids for more hair tutorials and gorgeous styles in the future. See you next time, bye!